Hello students, today our topic types of research. So we have fundamental research, applied research, action research, descriptive research, analytical research, quantitative and qualitative research, and conceptual research. So these are some of the types of research. We're going to discuss one by one. First one, fundamental research. So please note the fundamental research, also known as basic research or pure research. The fundamental research, or what we call basic research or pure research, does not usually generate findings that have immediate applications in a practical level. So fundamental research, it does not generate findings that have immediate applications. So using fundamental research, you cannot solve the immediate problems, because immediate application of fundamental research not at all possible. So fundamental research help you to generate additional knowledge. So therefore, the fundamental research, it creates a curiosity and desire to expand knowledge in a specific research area. So there is one philosophy as per fundamental research is concerned: gathering knowledge for the sake of knowledge. I repeat, gathering knowledge for the sake of knowledge. So this is the philosophy of fundamental studies. Here, it is very clear that fundamental research focuses on knowledge. So it generates additional knowledge. It contributes to the field of knowledge, but does not generate findings that have immediate applications. Second point, applied research. So applied research, it is just opposite to fundamental research. Applied research, uh, it help you to solve the immediate problems, immediate specific business problems. The main difference between applied research and fundamental research: applied research creates practical solutions for specific business problems, while basic research, or what we call fundamental research, that seeks to expand knowledge in a field of study. And therefore, applied research is solution driven, while the basic research is knowledge specific. I repeat, the fundamental research is knowledge specific, whereas the applied research is solution driven. So this is the major difference between fundamental research and applied research. Next point, action research. Action research, it is a part of applied research. So the action research, it provides practical solutions to specific business problems by pointing the business in the right direction. So as the name suggests, this kind of research action oriented. So action research are called action oriented researches. So it is undertaken to find an immediate solution to a problem. So action research is action oriented. It is conducted to find out immediate solution to a problem. So this is what action research is, a part of applied research. So descriptive research. So descriptive research, as its name clearly indicates, it is descriptive in nature. So descriptive research describes the present state of affairs. It tells you about the present problems, or it describes the present state of affairs. So this means research has no control over the variables. So descriptive research provides detailed information regarding customers, competitors, and the market. So it describes the characteristics of population or phenomena. Next point, analytical research. So analytical research, it is based on the use of information. So information already available. So it is based on the information already available to the researcher, and making an analysis using logic and reasoning. So analytical research is analytical in nature. So using logical and reasoning, analytical research can be done. So analytical research uses the already available information for the purpose of the study and analysis. Next point, quantitative research and qualitative research. The quantitative research is concerned with numbers. So it is carried out to study a phenomena or a population that can be expressed in numbers, whereas qualitative research, it is done to study the phenomena or population that can be explained beyond numbers. So that is in a qualitative manner. So the quantitative research, okay, it deals with the numbers and statistics, while the qualitative research deals with the words and the meanings. So this is very important point. Quantitative research are those research which deals with numbers and statistics, whereas qualitative research deals with words and meanings. So the quantitative research allow you to test a hypothesis by systematically collecting and analyzing data, while the qualitative method allow you to explore idea and experiences in depth. So this is a major difference between qualitative and quantitative research. So quantitative research deals with numbers and statistics, whereas qualitative research, um, so it is based on words and meanings, so it is beyond numbers. Next, last point, conceptual research. So the conceptual research usually undertaken by the philosophers and thinkers to reinterpret an existing ideas. Okay, here the main purpose is to reinterpret the existing ideas. Okay, so this research mainly undertaken by the philosopher and thinkers to reinterpret an existing ideas. So although some researchers use this philosophical conceptual research, so as a conceptual framework to study the business and market phenomena. So I hope you understood the meaning of each and every types of research. Thank you.